There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. I'm working on this today. I tack welded my TIG welder this winter, and now I'm gonna MIG weld it together and try to finish this. I don't know if you can picture it, but it's there's gonna be some holes drilled in here, and it's gonna be a coat rack. Don't mind the cars going by, but I'm gonna record myself just doing the stitch welding of the rest of this thing. So stay tuned and keep watching. We're gonna do some welding today. Hello YouTube. One of the things about welding outside is with short sleeves is some PPE is just always good. I have these awesome hold on, let me start over. Alright, started this project this winter. I didn't feel like welding inside because in the winter it's freezing, it's cold out. I usually do my welding outside in the winter. If I have to, I'll open up the door in the winter when I really have to do something, but this is just me welding this up. I'll be grinding the weld zone as it's for decorative purposes, not structural. And it helps to wear my glasses so I can see what the hell I'm doing. It's time to clean the nozzle. Missing any? Nope. I'll do the other side. I don't know if you can see this. Turn it down low here. There we go. Stop it and restart it. Well, I guess I forgot to start it, but I zip welded all these. So now I've got to stand it up and weld in the middle somehow. Somehow hold it up. I better get something to hold it. I'll be right back.